Hey guys, Amy here. I'm part of the Midwest team at Redox Bionutrients. We are in Easton, Illinois today, part of a Total Acre trial that we're walking the field. In this particular trial, we're looking at our product RDX-N, which is a nitrogen optimization product. You can actually optimize your in-season nitrogen up to 50%. With this particular trial, we're actually looking at a grower that's pretty optimized out of the gate already. He's at a 0.85 NUE. So the question is, can we continue to optimize at more efficient rates with RDX-N? So this is the check right here. I'll show you guys in a second. We have the RDX-N treated right here. The way that the trial was set up is that we did full grower standard practice right in the center here. We did 8 ounces of RDX-N in the planter to establish that plant charge balance and optimize those metabolic systems right out of the gate. And then at side dress, we replaced 25 units of nitrogen with 16 ounces of RDX-N. So we're looking for parity here, maybe a little bit upside. So this is the control right here. Here's your RDX-N. Walking the fields, the ears look pretty good, right? Things look, I would say, parity there. So ultimately the combine will tell the full story, but we'll wait and see the results to come. And if you want to learn more, visit redoxgrows.com.